Hi everybody, it's Julie, and they're finally, 4 of them are done and ready to be out there with you. And so there are 4 digital kits being released and going into my shop today, and I will show you. They feature deer and birds, McCall, I guess it's Betsy McCall, but we call her McCall Melissa, and the Santa set, and also the Flinch cards. And I am so excited. Karen stepped up and offered to help me get these finished, and so they are finished and they are in the shop for you. Numbers 1 through 31. I am so excited. So Flinch cards, and they are JPEG files, so you'll be able to play with them, and they are in the shop. Next we have the birds and deer. It's mostly birds, but we do have this really cool card with the deer on it and a back of a postcard. They are all Christmas cards, so you get the 6 fronts of the postcard, 1 back of a postcard. These ones are done so that you can cut it across and use it as a belly band. I also did 9 wallet size that can be used for journal cards or for pockets or tucks, or for making like the little purse notes that we've been doing. We have the bird on the tree music, and we have this beautiful page to add to your journals or scrapbooking. So that is Christmas birds and deer. So that one is available in the shop. And next we have McCall Melissa. That's what we're calling her, but apparently she is Betsy McCall, which I should have recognized her from the paper dolls from all those years ago. And so you get her, and then you get these 4. This one's called Cherished Children. Cherished Children. So, and these are right now copied on copy paper. If you print these onto even like the Michaels cardstock, they come out more vibrant and they're really quite beautiful. So here's the 4 children landscape cards, and they will be really fun. You can do like a couple of them and cut just her out, use the holly, all kinds of fun things. You get the music Snowbells with this one. It's a musical music. And you get the 9 cards with this one also. So there's some pages from the Christmas clothing out of the McCall's magazine. A bunch of children sledding here, and we have the boy and the girl in the snow. This is a Christmas pageant cast and an ad with the boy with the giant snowball. Okay, so that is Christmas Cherished Children. And next we have Santa, and these are the ones that I have. I have this one where he's holding the boat, this one where he's got a bunch of toys, this one says a Merry Christmas, this one says cheerful Christmas. A cheerful Christmas. We have Santa down here, and here he is climbing out of the chimney. You don't see him like that very often. We have the music Old Santa Claus. These are all in JPEG, so on your computer you can actually take this, print it out to wallet size. It also makes really cool paper, a full paper. So if you copy it 5x7, it'll come out on your paper this way. Next we have this set of paper dolls. This was in the McCall magazine, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is absolutely so cool. And then you get the wallet of Santa and the tree and the doll and stockings and the other items. And this one, they still have their paper doll features. So, and this is your other postcards. So you have Santa here, and then also these ones and the back. And you can just cut this off. Okay, so that is the Santa kit. So Santa has 5 pages. He has wallets. He has the page of paper dolls, the Santa Claus music, and 7 fronts and 1 back of a postcard. So, and of course, just like my other kits, you can go ahead and print this. This is printing it full size, but you can break it down. You can print it at 5x7, and you'll have like wallet size of each postcard. And you can print it at wallet size, and you have smaller little cards, and you can also print them out smaller. So again, we have the Cherished Children, features Betsy McCall, and the 8 postcards, music, and the 9 little wallets. And you can color those in. Oh my gosh, there's so much you can do with this. So this one has the 6 postcard fronts and a back. You get the 9 wallets that will match these. They're actually taken out of these postcards so that you can use them throughout. So if you want to do more of a wildlife, and then you get the page here. So, and then, yay, we have the Flinch cards, and these are, again, thank you, Karen. Flinch cards come 1 through 15, so you've got the original 1 through 15, and then she made us these. So these will be great for December daily. They'll be great for using with your October daily, 30 days of Thanksgiving in November, or just for, you know, a birthday or how old somebody is up to 31. So there you go. And they're all JPEG files. They are available now in my Etsy shop for immediate download, and I'm really excited. I would love to know which one's your favorite. And of course, you know, you could tell me by going and purchasing it, or you can tell me here in the comments. Ha ha ha. So I still have Home for the Holidays, which is several home scenes, houses and things like that. And I have the Angels still coming. My printer, yeah, it still doesn't talk to the computer, so I could only work with the files that I already had in it. And now that I have got these done and they're in the shop like I told you they will be, I'm going to be working on physical kits, and then I'll work on the digital, or getting the printer to talk to the computer, and getting those other digital kits out for you. Also, so that you know, the pages, there is going to be a digital kit of pages, and just for a sneak peek, we have the quilts. This is the quilt that I made with my grandmother when I was like 5. All of these, my sister and I had dresses out of these, all those patches. We had these were the scraps. I have this one. I have this that is it's a play. It actually goes with the paper dolls, and but I thought this would be fun to have in the Pages kit because it is Christmas, and you could use it, you know, you could put something on here about Santa Claus, you know, a picture. You could print this out at 5x7 and put a picture when your children or grandchildren go see Santa or something like that. I just thought that would be kind of fun to have in it. So this is what I have so far. I do also have the holly page that is similar to the background page from the Paris, and so that will be coming out to next week as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, which one's your favorite, and are you participating in Christmas in July? And I'm going to be showing you things to do with all of these between now and the end of July, and then of course off and on between now and then. So happy Friday the 13th. And I hope you have a great day. So again, these would be great for Project Life too, because you could do your weeks. Maybe we'll get together and we'll get up to 52. I don't know. So there you go. Thank you so much, and thank you, Karen. Everybody, tell Karen thank you for the Flinch cards. I have the best subscribers. Thank you so much. And she's brand new. So have a great day, everybody. Have a great weekend. Bye. Oh, Etsy shop, Dearjuliejulie, all one word. Have a great day. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.